yogis, namaste. Welcome back to our Hamsa Yoga YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the Chakrasana or wheel pose. This asana is one of almost everyone's dream asana for most of people who practice yogasana, because this is one of advanced asana, I can say, which looks great when you perform this asana. Here, when we look at to the Chakrasana, you should focus one thing. If your body is flexibility, then you can't do this asana. If you are strength, then you can't able to do this asana. Remember, your body need to be flexible at the same time strength. I was going to show if your body is flexible, how your body raise. If your body is strength, how will your body raise up in Chakrasana. If you are struggling to push your body up into the wheel pose, then this video is for you. Let's get into the practice of wheel pose. Remember, if you are beginner to this asana, make sure to prepare your body with nicely back bending warm up, then you can easily perform this asana. If not, you feel little difficult to perform this. In case if you find difficult to raise your body up, you can take anyone's support like this and try to perform Chakrasana or wheel pose. As I mentioned, this is for beginners. First, you need to learn how to lift Chakrasana with lying down posture. I'm going to lie down on my back. Yes. Bend your knees. When you bend your knees, remember when you touch your leg, it should be like this. Or else if it's little close like this way, then that's totally fine. This is the right pose. And if you're struggling to lift up in Chakrasana, means your leg might be too far. This is totally wrong. Or your legs might be too wide like this. This is also wrong. When you're lifting up, the hand position is also very important. You should place your hands just next to your shoulder, this way, just next to your shoulder. Remember to spread your fingers apart, don't hold like this, just spread your fingers apart, just place your palms next to your ears, this way. When you align your hands, remember to inline your wrist and the elbow. It should be not like this. See, it's a slant line, it's totally wrong. Even it is also wrong. See, it is also straight line. This is also wrong. Remember to inline your elbow and the wrist. This is very important. While you are lifting up, don't bring your elbows closer or don't open your arms too wider. So you just need to push your body up. Just bend your legs same way. First remember to raise this much. This is very important. Here what we are trying to do, we are trying to strengthen up our back we are engaging our core muscles. This is a very basic point you have to stay before doing Chakrasana. Let me explain you without having a flexibility. If your body is only strength, I'm going to show how your body will lift. You can't able to lift at all if your body is only strength is there. And I'm going to show now if your body have only flexibility and how you will do lift. This much you can just lift. You can't able to lift your body up more because lack of strength. So both is important. Your arms should be strong. Your thighs should be strong to do proper Chakrasana. Your back need to be flexible. The front body should be always stretched in back bending. If its front body stiffness is there, then you can't able to lift up. Now slowly, once you reach this pose, remember to put more weight on your arms and raise your head up and place your crown on the mat this way. Got it? Now slowly, if you find a balance and easy, putting up more pressure on your palms and the wrists, raise your body up, head down, stay here. Slowly while dropping down, what people do, they do like this. This is totally wrong. You will going to hurt your body very hardly. Now I am going to explain you how to come down from Chakrasana. First lift your body up to Chakrasana Sthiti. Same step up. First bend your hands, head up. Push your body this side, not here, close to your shoulder, this way. Then this is an easy method. With that your arms will also get strong. Once you lift up, there is a few corrections that you need to do. I am going to show you up how to correct or how to get a proper shape of Chakrasana. Same way, lift up, align your legs, palms aligned properly. So this is a key point to perform Chakrasana for a beginners. Remember to practice this regularly. If you want to learn Chakrasana from standing, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make a video on that, and surely you will going to learn easily, because I'm going to show up easy and comfortable technique that you can practice every day to improve your flexibility or to improve the Anjaneyasana. So that's it for today. See you on other video. Till then, be happy. Have a great day. Namaste.